tablespoon of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of water, a cinnamon stick. You do have the option of using cinnamon powder, 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract, that's your choice, 4 cups of sliced peaches. I use frozen peaches. You do have the option of using fresh peaches, that's totally fine. 1 cup of brown sugar and 1 cup of white sugar. I did forget to record nutmeg powder, but you'll need that. You'll need 2 pinches of nutmeg powder. And of course, our butter. So this is when you're going to take your remaining butter, put it in the microwave for about 5 seconds and just brush it over the pastry before popping it in the oven. And there you have it, peach cobbler. This was so delicious. I love this recipe. It's so simple. Anyone can do this. Like, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.